Did you miss us? Second batch.
mahal 것 kayo. 또 필리핀에 다시 와서 여러분들께 울지 마요.
Good morning, Philippines. So today is a very exciting and something new for me because I will be guest co-hosting the Sungjunggi in Manila event. So here are my co-hosts, of course MJ by Fori, of course my nanners, one of my best friends, and of course myself. So today as a host, ang dami nating roles in life. Makeup artist, beauty expert, and I think this is my second time to host officially. Of course, the first one is during the ABS-CBN Ball 2025 in Soler, and now we are here for I Am Sungjunggi event. Oops. And look who's here, my guest co-host, the Nanners.
Did you miss us?
So kami po ang guest co-host ngayon. So, as a host kami, so break muna as a makeup artist and as a
mompreneur.
What do you call yourself? You are practitioner.
The influencer marketing maven. Wow! Marketing queen, charot.
So today, we are back as Becky hosts kasi of course.
As Chuwariwa.
We're gonna do rehearsals in a bit and we're gonna do our makeup. I'm gonna do Nanner's makeup later.
Isa pa naman.
Wow. Let's check out what's happening in the stage. So, let's go. Here we go. Diyan yung shari. Kami pili ng flavors na lang.
Ito, as is
Training second batch.
Part 1 and part 2.
Carry.
Are you ready to answer the fifth question? Sungjunggi was one of the original cast members of this popular reality show. What is the name of the show? Letter A, Weekly Idol. Letter B, Going Girls. Letter C, Running Man. Pag-isipan mo mabuti ka, girl. What's your answer? Tama nga ba ang sagot niya? Ang galing ka. What's your name? Eddie po! San? Iisip mo yun, girl. Okay, here's your question. This Sungjunggi film was billed as the first Korean space blockbuster. What was the title of this film? Letter A, Spaceship Victory. Letter B, Space Keepers. Letter C, Space Trek. Are you ready to answer?
Letter B, Space Keepers!
Oh, tama nga ba ang sagot? Congratulations to all our winners. MJ!
For you, what do you think makes your K-dramas so endearing para sa aming mga Pinoy?
I don't know. Why?
Nga ba?
Why?
Why nga ba?
너무 감사하고 궁금해서 정말 너무나 사랑하는 작품이지만 촬영하면서 너무 즐겁게 사랑에 빠져서 했던 작품이었고 좋아해 주시는 이유가 있겠지만 한번 다른 기회에 또 필리핀에 다시 와서 이렇게
Umiiyak na yung iba. Kaya niyo pa. First 10 minutes pa lang.
울지 마요.
As well, I've tried the products myself. The shoe, and
마사라 뿜.
Wow! may tutorial na tayo ngayon ha. Delicioso, yes.
mahal ko kayo. mahal ko kayo.
Diba?
와, 필리핀어 근데 이 발음이 되게 예쁘네요.
We'll teach you more.
mahal kita.
Tayo na lang yung now. Okay, so, I think si MJ sumakses ka na. Sobra. Nabatay na siya. At kalma lang.
kalmalan.
Lang.
kalmalam.
Yes.
ginto. ginto.
Ano bang i-acting ngayon, no? May...
골!
Good moment. Grabe ha. Thank you, G.
Grabe! Ang bait niya. Chance to see something really up close and personal. 237 218.
And we are done. We survived. And we were able to have a video.